What's going on, guys? It's Bobby here at Stingrayalley, and today we're showing you a 2006 Corvette. Now, this is not your average Corvette. This one is a monster. It's got a stage 2 Texas cam, full headers, full exhaust, a tune, and air intake and different fuel system. It runs like a champ, and it runs on pumped gasoline. So that saves you don't got to search for E85. That's a big headache. But it's also got a body kit on it too, so come take a look at it. You got your black wheels. But you can see back here and towards the back, all of this is flared out. So it's not a Z06. It looks like one, but it's just a body kit on it. You can really tell the difference when you're back here. And then there's your Borla exhaust down there, which is your full exhaust. This is a vinyl wrap, so that can take off if you don't like it. You got your little spoiler back here, and it is a see-through roof. The downside of that is a see-through roof. It gets real hot inside, and the interior gets a little worn quicker. But hop in, we're gonna take it for a ride. And this one is standard, so if you want a sports car, let's get standard. You can quickly tell by the seats, they're in good shape, but you can tell that they're a little dry just from the see-through roof. Got a little tear right there. Not really a tear, it's just stitched. But other than that, it's a real solid car. And it's also cool because it's two-toned. So it's half red, half black, which is really, and they even did this right here. And it is a push start. And you have carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but this car is rumbling right now. Look at my hand, it's just shaking because it's rumbling. No lights on the dash, no nothing. All the work was done by a professional here in town. The only warning lights on this car is a service tire and a service charging system. That's from the alternator not reading it correctly, just because it's got so much shake to it. But other than that, solid car. AC works. And the seat warmers, which is my favorite deal. But let's go take it around the block. You guys can't hear that, but this thing sounds crazy. And obviously this is standard, so if you buy this car, make sure you know how to drive standard. But I can't get over the two-tone interior. I love the red and black combination. It shifts flawlessly. And man, it's got a ton of power in this thing. I mean, this car's got so much more room to go. I mean, they did this car great. Because most of these cars, when you get them all souped up and modified, you can't drive them daily. I mean, they're just hard. This is one you can drive daily, have fun with, probably rack up a few tickets, but at least you had fun doing it. I mean, we're in third gear, 60 miles an hour, with a fraction of the pedal being pressed. I mean, that's just how crazy this car is. And it doesn't die on you when you come to a stop. You know, most of the time these cars, they got such a wild cam and stuff in them that they just fall off. You can't get them done. This one right here, we may get pulled over. There's a cop over there, but who knows? Let's put the seatbelt on just in case. I don't know, they ain't turning around, so I think we're good. If I got a ticket on this deal, you guys, the viewers, should chip in and pay it out for me, okay? But this obviously has the stock LS2 engine in it with all the upgrades. Like I said earlier, the headers, the cams, the full exhaust. It's got a 93 octane tune to it. Different fuel injectors, I believe. I'm not too sure. That's the only downside of my modified cars is you don't know exactly what's in it. You can't beat that sound. Obviously, the tops come off on these cars as well, so you can take the top off. You do have the see-through roof. And we do sell these cars all out of state. So if you need help getting shipping, just give me a holler. I'll be more than happy to try to get you a great quote on whatever it is, however far it is. I've sold cars out of the country as well, to Germany, Slovakia, all over the place.
Do you want to make it red?
So yeah, come take a look at this, hear this exhaust. And that was just a fraction of the exhaust. I didn't want to really give it any because one, I didn't want to blow my microphone, and two, I didn't want to blow my girlfriend's dress all with exhaust fumes. But here's the engine. Like I said, all fresh, all serviced. There's your headers down there, your fuel injectors, coil packs, all kinds of stuff. Got a different air intake. But other than that, this thing is a monster. You could daily drive this car, all for under $20,000. You can't go buy a regular stock C6 for $20,000, let alone a monster like this one. So give me a call at 361-992-1104 and let me help get you some tickets in this Corvette. Y'all take care.